If you want to make international call on your iPhone, here's the exact way to do it. All you have to need, go to your app store and search for the Imo app. Just go ahead and install the Imo app, or you can use the WhatsApp app to make international calls. So you can just install any of them from Imo or WhatsApp. Now let's open the WhatsApp app, for example. Once you are in your application, it could be your WhatsApp or Imo, just tap this plus icon to add a new contact. Tap on new contact, and here tap this country option, and now from here you have to choose the country or country code to make an international call. So let's select here Argentina, for example, and now just enter here the international phone number. Make sure the country code is correct. That's how just go ahead and add the contact in your WhatsApp list or email list. Add here a contact name, then tap on save. Once the contact successfully saved, now from your WhatsApp you can easily make international call. To do that, you have to tap on calls, and here tap this plus icon, and now from this contact list you have to choose the international number whom you want to make a call. So just select the number and tap this audio or video call to start a international call. So this is how you can actually do it.